Okay, so here's someone to make a decent video. While I've been working on this painting, I've managed to get some dried paint on the plexiglass acrylic Strada system. And unlike my glass palette, I can't take a metal razor blade to try to scrape this off because you'll start gouging into the plastic and absolutely destroy this. So this is a video on how to tackle this kind of palette surface without ruining it. So I got these cheap plastic knives, so I'm going to use this to scrape up as much as I can. Then I'm going to rub this down with mineral spirits and paper towel and see where I'm at, and then I'll bring you back in 1 second. Alright, so I did a pass with paper towel and mineral spirits, and this is what I'm left with. This is just very thin, but it's drying off on the surface. So I have to check my bag to see what other tools I got that can help me, but because this hasn't really been down there too long, just kind of rubbing the surface, you know, without going crazy, but not too gently either. Applying pressure on my fingertip is kind of rubbing away that thin film of color that's drying out on the surface. I wasn't sure what to expect. Hindsight, I should have cleaned up all the paint while it was fresh at the end of my painting session, but I was being lazy because I was feeling under the weather. So now I get to deal with this. It's coming off. It's not fast though. Let's add a little more mineral spirit to that. Fold this guy over. I'm willing to bet anything that if this sat for a week or two, this would not be happening right now. But if it's a couple days like this, just the little bit of elbow grease, I guess it kind of can get under that film. It starts rolling and flaking up. It's kind of like the lottery scratch off material. Boy, I'm lucky here. I don't want to ruin the surface. This is the most stubborn part. It's probably the thickest buildup of color. There you go, look at that. Problem solved. Working just like the metal razor blade on a glass surface. Again, don't use metal on this. You're going to gouge up the surface. Alright, let me put the camera down for a second. Check it out. Good as new. Nothing left. So, lesson learned. Best to clean this off 100% at the end of a painting session. Don't wait a couple of days, because then you got to deal with this mess. But if you do find yourself in said situation, I just showed you, it's not too hard to go about cleaning that without damaging the surface. Thank you for watching.